How is this small boat? You like it? Four people can comfortably use it for fishing or for a small recreational trip on the river. And the amazing fact is, it is DIY project using three used the plastic barrels. My name is Mrs. Lanisham and I will explain you how to make this wonderful boat step by step. There are 8 steps to make this boat. In step 1, first of all, get 3 used plastic barrels and I bought it for $12 each. Cut 3 sides of each barrel as shown on the picture. Then, among 3 barrels, you have to cut off head portion of one barrel. Now, you have 2 barrels. Cut 3 sides for making body of the boat. And one barrel cut similar to others 2 barrels but without head portion in order to create nose front portion of the boat. Step 2. Joining barrels. In this step, join all the 3 barrels in line, temporarily using jig clamp and locking pliers. Then, mark 1.5 inches each around the barrel joint and make hole every 1.5 inches marks using a 3 mm dia drill bit and pass a 12 AWG bare copper wire as well as fasten. These copper wires you can get from electrical shop. Next step, the concern here to shape the front portion. Firstly, fold the front side of barrels as shown on the picture. Use these techniques to fold it by using jig clamps, screwdriver, and heat blower. Step 4. Joining the front corner. Using bare copper wire, jig clamp, and locking plier in the same way like in the front side. Moreover, it has to join from top to bottom as shown on the picture. You can use street rod or any convenient method to achieve this step. Step 5. Fishing steel or aluminum frame. In this step, take 1 inch square tube of 10 feet or approximately 3 meters and mark every 2 inches till 3 feet. After that, bending every 2 inches marking on steel tube using hammer and unsharp chisel. Don't worry about the arch shape. It will come automatically while we are fastening barrel edge to steel tube, which is starting from the front corner. Use expansion rivet. Step 6. Installing the backboard. Take a piece of 3 by 2 feet marine plywood and it is temporarily fastened to the back side of the board and put marking. Use jigsaw to cut the shape. After cutting, fasten it to the board by using copper wire. And use stainless steel screw. Step 7. Waterproofing. Using waterproofing tar sheet and hot air blower. Seal all the joints with multiple layers of tar sheet or bitumen waterproofing sheet. Now it is ready for leak test. If you find any leak, You can use hot air blower and tar or asphalt. Last but not the least, you can install marine plywood board according to your convenience. I remember that I spent less than $75 and 3 days of hard work. Finally, I have an amazing functional board. Thank you very much for your interest in this project. Goodbye until we see next project.